was 8 years old, something happened which totally changed my entire life.
Good morning, students. Good morning. Today, our tree planting program has some hidden potential. And if you pay close attention and get involved, you might unlock something amazing. So it's up to you. Okay?
If you can light the spark of curiosity in a child, they will learn without any further assistance very often.
Now we, the team, our former Deputy Director Amansu, teacher Christina, sister Milena, treasurer and Providence Streets John, we all are here on behalf of Goyche Fuddle Pillgue Khatir, a registered NGO whose main objective is to protect the interest of future generation. Do you know the meaning of this Goyche Fuddle Pillgue Khatir? Yeah? You read that, right? Meaning koida? Goyche Fuddle Pillgue Khatir? Say. Yeah, you are reading this. Konkani meaning kitta sang. He वाचून सांगता तुम्ही. याचं meaning कितें? Goyche Fuddle Pillgue Khatir. Okay, future generation, right? Are you the part of future generation? Yes, you are. And protecting the interest of future generation is not an easy task, right? And few individuals are not going to perform any miracles. But together, yes, we can make a difference. Now today's our topic is, what is our topic today? Planting trees, right? Do we need trees? Yes, someone is paying attention. Why do we need trees? Yeah? Because of oxygen, right? We all know these trees are essential, yet we very often take them for granted. Now, by end of this presentation, we will explore the critical role these trees are playing in our very survival. Do we cut trees? Why do we cut trees? Okay, do we replace the trees that we cut? No, right? Not really. Now, we'll try to understand about these amazing trees little more through a small video clip.
Hello, do you know who I am? I am the Earth. Yes, that's right, the planet Earth. And I would like to talk to you about trees, as they are very important both for you and me, and all living things. Every year, 15 billion trees are cut down. It's crazy. Photosynthesis is essential for trees. It traps carbon dioxide, or CO2, which is one of the causes of the greenhouse effect that is making the temperatures rise all over the planet, meaning me, and that's why I'm so hot. During this process, the tree also expels oxygen, an essential part of the air we breathe. And there are many more benefits we can gain from trees. Human beings get wood and fruit from trees. The forests are one of the best means I have to regulate the climate, thanks to their shade and ability to avoid water evaporation. As you can see, there are many good reasons to look after trees, and better yet, to plant them and help them grow strong and healthy. I suggest a very exciting idea. Encourage your parents to grow trees. For as you know, children can make a world of difference.
Did you hear that last? And you can read it here. Children can make a world of difference. And that is why we are here today. Now, do you think we have tree cutting issue in Goa? What do you think? Newspaper says yes. What about forest fires issue in Goa? Worst fires in Goa's history. And this loss of trees in Goa is leading to rise in temperature, humidity level. Right? Last April, May, we had warmer than usual this year in Goa. Did you notice that? Garam Zatale, April, May? Maybe you will not get it. Your parents will know this was not normal in Goa. It was hotter. Garam Zatale, right? That means we have problem. And remember, most people talk about these problems all the time. But how to overcome them? That is what we are not doing. Now today, together, we will plant a tree. Maybe even one tree. Still, it is like a small drop in the ocean. Something is better than nothing, right? And sometimes a small action can have bigger impact, right? Now the main reason, why are we planting tree with you here in the school? What do you think? Now you heard that in video clip, right? The children can make a world of difference. Do you remember that? And now we have new science called epigenetics. And as per that new science, we know more about the working of children's brain. Children's brain is in a plasticity mode. It is like a soft clay. If we shape that at the right time, then wonders are possible.
Now, what is our main purpose to be here today? Listen carefully.
Curiosity. If you can light the spark of curiosity in a child, they will learn without any further assistance very often. Children are natural learners. Curiosity is the kind of engine of achievement.
Did you hear that? Maybe this is not for you all, but when you grow, you become parent. I expect at that time something will happen. I will repeat, not to you, for our real future generation.
Curiosity. If you can light the spark of curiosity in a child, they will learn without any further assistance very often. Children are natural learners. Curiosity is the kind of engine of achievement.
Now, curiosity is the engine of achievement, she says. Now, in which minds is this spark of curiosity possible? In all minds, the minds which are conscious, who pay attention, focus in whatever they do. For example, today we are going to plant a tree, right? And if you pay enough attention, tomorrow you may inspire to explore, to understand the life of a tree. And if you really understand the life of a tree in the totality, then you will also realize that these trees, birds, animals, and even we, human beings, we all are interconnected. We all are part of this whole existence. Let's take one example of a possibility if the spark of curiosity happens.
When I was 8 years old, something happened which totally changed my entire life. A great scientist had just died, and the newspapers all published a picture of his desk with an open book. And the caption said, "This is the unfinished manuscript of the greatest scientist of our time." So I said to myself, wow, this is for me. This is something that I have to do. For example, is time travel possible? Einstein's theory says yes, but is it really true? We don't know. But I think that some young enterprising kid out there will finally finish the whole theory from a fresh point of view. I think of myself at the age of 8. I went to the library and I found nothing. Nothing about the unified field theory. Nothing about hyperspace. And I said to myself, when I grow up, I'm going to become a theoretical physicist, and I will write for children, young adults, the curious, to satisfy their curiosity about higher dimensions.
You know this man? His name is Michio Kaku, one of the most influential scientists in the world. Do you know about Albert Einstein? Who was he? Great scientist, right? Okay, when Albert Einstein died, that time Michio Kaku was like you, 8 years old. And newspaper published a picture, not of Albert Einstein, about his death with open book, symbolizing that something is incomplete. And that picture, Mr. Michio Kaku paid enough attention, and the spark of curiosity happened. He went to library. You all go to library? You have library, right? Why do you go to library? Yes, to find, you get some help, right? Michio Kaku did the same thing. He went to library, tried to find anything related to this, but he could find nothing. You got mobile phone, right? You all have mobile phone, means you all have internet. Michio Kaku time, remember, no internet. His mother was housemaid and father was gardener. Are you getting the point? And today, Michio Kaku is one of the most influential scientists. And this is the power of our human mind. If the spark of curiosity happens, if you pay attention in something, in totality, possibilities are there. But the problem is we have been conditioned right from a childhood. Run after money, name, fame. But our new science, which I said, epigenetics, as per that new science, we all are born with natural talent. We all possess unique abilities. But as I said, the problem is our conditioning. And after running after money, name, fame, in that process, we lost the ability of our natural talent. Now let's take one example. What is this?